Okay, in this video we will be looking at 5 superstar tips that will help you use this course and improve your IELTS speaking score. Number 1 is write it down. If at any point you hear some language or a phrase that you like, whether in this course, on the television or on a website, write it down, say it out loud and practice using it. Superstar tip number 2 is to read texts that interest you, whether that's a story, a book, a newspaper or articles on the internet. Reading is scientifically proven to be one of the best ways to widen your vocabulary. The best way to improve any skill or language is to have fun failing. Be prepared to make mistakes, but learn from them. Definitely use all the language that I'm going to teach you in this course, but don't worry if it doesn't quite work the first time. Top tip number 4 is to use the learning community. Come and ask me or post in the Q&A section and someone will come and help you. Superstar tip number 5 is something I tell every single one of my students. You must find yourself a language exchange partner who you can talk to for at least 30 minutes 4 or 5 times a week. Use these websites that I've shown you with the icons here. There's lots of brilliant resources for finding a language exchange partner. In the next video, we'll be speaking to a former IELTS student about her experiences of taking the IELTS speaking test. See you there.